If you're in the market for the best flip smartphone, Motorola could be the one. Let's close a look. For the front, fantastic screen, very little bezels. It will switch to different animation. Of course, you can customize it. You don't have to have animation. Now it's recognized my face very quickly, and we can swipe it, edit for the song, different apps and stuff. It's fully customizable. Let's open the device, and inside we have an even better screen, which is also 120. No, it's 165. Now that is the highest refresh rate I've seen ever in a smartphone. And with the Google News, we have smoothness on the ultra level. Wow, that's the smoothest Google News I've seen in any smartphone. The device itself is powered by Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, and the power itself is 1800 for the single and 4400 for the multi, and that's basically the score for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is Galaxy S23. That's the maximum settings. Like you can see, everything is smooth. The latest Snapdragon will give you a maximum gameplay. Wow, that is very smooth, and 60 frames per second. Nice. Ooh, he's running away, and we won. Of course, we do have AI with all kinds of stuff. Pause the video if you want to read that. Google Payments is available, and 5G also. Wow. Battery usage is hard to say because I'm using those smartphones quite different than any other user, so see a lot of Ethereum and YouTube and camera. Well, it will last me for a whole day. And of course, the most important is the camera. And in the camera, we do have a slow motion, which we can go all the way to 960. And the video in 4K 60 frames per second and different aspect ratio, HDR10. I will make a HDR10 video, so you can check it out. It'll be a separate video for you. External microphone, or you can turn it off or turn it on, of course. We do have autofocus in the main lens, that is obvious. And we do have macro, which... Okay, it's switching like that when I'm not recording, you see? It's switching like that. But when I'm recording, it will switch very smoothly, and we can have a beautiful macro. Not sure why, but it is what it is. In the video, in the photo, it's smooth. So that's only for video. By the way, going back to the video, switching to the main front-facing camera. Well, there's only one. We don't have autofocus, but we do have 4K 60, which is super cool. And of course, a beauty mode is available. Switching to the photo, you can see tracking is nicely. Also, tons and tons of filters. I'm not sure who's gonna use such a filters. Why I'm such yellow, red, and in the end I'm dead. Black and white. I don't know. No. Anyway, it is making photos by itself because I switched the feature which will take a photo when you're smiling. And I'm smiling a lot all the time because I love what I do. That's why I'm always smiling. Yeah, that's just me. Alright, we can zoom in, and we do have a beauty mode. Switching to the main lens, like I said, we can zoom all the way to 30x, and if we tap the screen, it will take a photo. There's also a fast tracking, so you can take a photo for fast subjects, and filters. Similar, maybe even the same filters. Also portrait mode. Alright. And you can adjust the bokeh effect, which is super cool. And in the pro mode, we can shoot in RAW if you wanted to, and RAW and JPEG at the same time. In more, we have panorama, slide scan, color shift, photo, time-lapse, high resolution, 50 megapixels, which could be automated if you wanted to. See, that's wow, the amount of details is amazing. It could be automated if we hit in the photo. You see that icon on right there? That could be on, and it will by itself turn on the high resolution photo. Also dual capture for photo and video, so you can record from the two cameras at the same time. It could be side by side, it could be other way around, it could be two cameras, two front, two rear, and stuff like that. Also going to the video, we can record just like that, like an old camcorder. Now the camera is focusing on it, you see, and with the touch screen, you can slide with a zoom. You can use it as a slider. Yeah? Also, if you do it like this, you will have a couple of different options there. Of course, let me turn it off. If we, all right, it wants to do it by itself. Okay. So all you need to do is just bend, and we'll start the recording by itself. I think you can turn off such a feature. There's also external display. There you go. So the quality is amazing. You can record with external display, but only in 30 frames per second. 60 will be not available. Why? Don't know. It is what it is. Maybe the screen is not 60. It's only 30. Maybe. Camera walkthrough. Let me show you some samples for photo and video. Then we'll link in the description for you to download original samples. How cool is that? Hashtag Pepper. This one can record all the way to 4K 60 frames per second with video stabilization and autofocus. This is the main lens, which you can do zoom. This is electronic zoom, 6x for the 60 and 10x for the 30 frames per second. Also vlogging style. This is going to look like. You can vlog from the outside screen also with viewing from the outside screen, but you will have to downgrade to 30 frames per second. Front facing camera without autofocus, but it is wide, very wide, without video stabilization. With the video stabilization, it's a little bit less wider, a narrower view, but video stabilization is great for vlogging pictures. Conclusion, top in the line screens. Do you see the crest inside? You don't. I can barely feel it under my finger. Engineering on the top level. Also great cameras and really good speakers. Is this the best flip in the market? Could be, but Xiaomi just make another one, and we're going to compare it in the next video. We're going to compare the screens, cameras, and all kinds of stuff, so like, subscribe. But with Moto, we already have a discount in the description, an additional discount code for you, so you could have a better deal. And that's all I have. It's really, really nice for your girlfriend. I think it's for the girls. That's what I think. I don't think man wants to flip your phone. Do you? Let me know in a comment below. Well, it's also small, like half of the regular phone, so, well, it could be nice for the jacket pocket.